Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Have you ever wondered how we connect ideas in English to make longer and more powerful sentences? Today, you will learn exactly that. We are going to explore the different types of conjunctions in English with simple explanations and clear examples. Conjunctions are very important because they help us connect words, phrases, and clauses together. Without them, our sentences would be short and disconnected. In this lesson, we will learn three main types of conjunctions. Let's begin. Coordinating conjunctions. First, we have coordinating conjunctions. These are used to connect words, phrases, or independent clauses that are equally important. The most common ones are and, but, or, so, for, nor, yet. Let's look at some examples. And. I like tea and coffee. She is smart and hardworking. But. He is tired but happy. The weather is cold but sunny. Or. Would you like tea or coffee? You can stay or leave. So. It was raining, so we stayed home. He was late, so he missed the bus. 4. I stayed at home, for I was sick. Nor. He does not drink tea nor coffee. She did not call nor message me. Yet. He is small yet strong. It was difficult yet interesting. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. Next, we have subordinating conjunctions. These connect a dependent clause to an independent clause and show relationships like time, reason, condition, or contrast. Common examples are because, although, since, if, when, while, unless, before, after, though. Let's practice. Because. I stayed home because I was sick. Although. Although it was raining, we went outside. Since. Since it is raining, we will stay inside. If. If you study hard, you will pass. When. Call me when you arrive. While. She was reading while I was cooking. Unless. You cannot pass unless you study. Before. Wash your hands before you eat. After. We went home after the meeting. Though. Though he's young, he is very wise. Third, we have correlative conjunctions. These always work in pairs to connect equal parts of a sentence. Examples include both and, not only, but also, either or, neither nor, whether or, rather than, as, no sooner than, hardly, when, such, that. Let's see them in action. Both and. She is both smart and kind. Not only, but also. He is not only a teacher, but also a writer. Either or. You can either stay or leave. Neither nor. He likes neither tea nor coffee. Whether or. I don't know whether he will come or not. Rather than. I prefer tea rather than coffee. As. She is as tall as her sister. No sooner than. No sooner had I arrived than the bus left. Hardly when. Hardly had I sat down when the phone rang. Such that. It was such a difficult test that many students failed. Ending. That's it for today's lesson on conjunctions in English. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel. I hope it helped you understand conjunctions more clearly and confidently. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.